Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data and verifying basics. Back up the iPhone SE to iCloud or Finder, because once you begin repairs, you want a safe restore point. Next, make sure iOS is current so software issues aren't masquerading as hardware failure. Visually inspect the home button area with strong light, remove debris with a soft brush or compressed air. If the button clicks but doesn't respond, note that as a symptom. Once done, power off the phone and gather tools: pentalobe screwdriver, spudger, suction cup. You'll now open the iPhone SE and carefully assess the home button assembly. First, remove the lower pentalobe screws and use a suction cup and plastic picks to hinge the display open. Support the display to prevent flex cable strain. Once exposed, disconnect the battery to prevent shorts. Then remove the metal shields and disconnect the home button flex cable. Look closely for corrosion, torn ribbon, or bent pins. These are common failure causes. If connectors are dirty, clean with 90% plus isopropyl and a soft swab, then test continuity with a multimeter. You finish by swapping or reseating components and reassembling the phone. If the flex or button is damaged, replace the part but keep the original Touch ID button for security. Transferring it preserves Touch ID functionality. Reconnect the home button flex, reinstall shields, reconnect the battery, then close the display and reinstall pentalobe screws evenly. Power on and test the mechanical click and responsiveness. Go through settings, Touch ID to confirm enrollment state. If the button still fails, perform
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.